This is the story of the first time that the angel Gabriel came to the Prophet and gave him words from the Quran. The Prophet had always been a very good person. When he was young, he was always polite, was never rude, never lied, and always wanted to help those in need. Soon all the people around him loved him very much. As he grew older, people started calling him the truthful person and the trustworthy person. At that time, people used to pray to statues that they made themselves rather than praying to Allah. Prophet Muhammad always knew that there was only one God and that it was Allah. He knew that it did not make sense to pray to statues made of wood and stone. The statue could not even take care of itself. How can it take care of others? He would often climb up a mountain and sit in a cave where he would just look at the world and think about Allah and all of His amazing creations. One day, something special happened. He was 40 years old and sitting in the little cave thinking about Allah. All of a sudden, he heard a voice talking to him. Prophet Muhammad was amazed. This voice belonged to Angel Gabriel. The Angel Gabriel was the special angel that would bring messages from Allah to the Prophet. Angel Gabriel was saying the words of the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad. We call this revelation. He was telling Prophet Muhammad to read. The first ayah was, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. Read in the name of your Lord who created. Every verse in the Quran is called an ayah. Each ayah was revealed for a reason. An ayah might tell us to do good things, tell us not to do bad things, tell us a story from the life of a prophet, tell us about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.